is you simply want to go to the store option and go over to the library, right click on it and go down to collections. When you're on collections, you click on Marvel Rivals like so. When you click on this, as you can see, we want to right click on it, go over to properties, and you want to go over to installed files like so. From here, how you fix this error is you actually want to make sure those settings that I had were correct, and you want to X out and you actually want to go over to the home screen of your computer, go onto your settings of your actual computer, update in settings, and as you can see, you want to actually make sure your window is up to date, because if it is not, then it will actually crash a lot more than it ever should. So you actually want to make sure it's fully up to date. So you want to click on check for updates if it is not up to date. But currently mine has no update, so you want to exit out of that. I'm trying to be first for these videos because this game came out yesterday. Okay. And once you're on this home screen, you just want to simply click on Marvel Rivals, and you're going to go over to the install option, and you simply want to uninstall it and just reinstall it simply like so, and that should fix your issue.